There's one real reason why we've come here and why we've taken this action, and this is why it is. It's our daughter who is missing and who deserves justice for a fair search. The laws of a democracy are there to protect the vulnerable in society. Our daughter is vulnerable, our twins are vulnerable. Given what you have heard in court over the days of this trial, we want to appeal to the Portuguese people again to come forward with any information that may lead us to help finding Madeleine, or any other information that might be related to Madeleine's abduction. The number here is 800 814 024.
800 814 028.
Thank you.
Gerry.
Tell us about these criminal proceedings that you've started.
Can't comment on that. If you speak to
But do you think that the
Bill
PJ is not investigating important leads that could help you to find Madeleine?
I think you heard Detective Paiva's testimony, and that speaks for itself. There's one thesis that's been investigated here more than any other that hasn't come up with any evidence, and the important thing is that there's an innocent child missing, and that search must go on. We would very much like the whole process reviewed. We'd like all the information held by all law enforcement to be put together and systematically reviewed and identified areas for further investigation.
We were said that notice that the PJ received ad inclusively photos from Madeleine, or eventually from some child.
Who do you want to do that review?
The most well-qualified people capable of doing it.
Mrs. McCann, how difficult has this trial been for you?
It's obviously been difficult to hear all these allegations again, but it is reassuring once again for it to be just demonstrated publicly that there is no evidence that Madeleine's come to any harm. And we really do want to ask the Portuguese people, continue to ask them, please help us. There's a little girl still missing, regardless of what Mr. Amar and his followers say, and they have their own motives. There's a little girl still missing, and we know that people care about children. Please help them.
You're asking Portuguese people to come forward. What do you have to say if they ask you, why are you not reopening the case?
It's not easy going through with it, but it helps
We'd be delighted if the case was reopened. We have no problem with that, but what we need is real investigation.
Did you already do anything?
Not dismissal.
Take any step to reopen the case?
We have sent information through the authorities both in England and through the PJ here. It's the prosecutor's decision when to reopen the case.
Did you get a reply then?
What we need is, and this is very, very clear, what we need is new leads, new information. We believe information has not gone into the inquiry, and we want it all systematically examined under one review panel.
Gerry, would you want that British, would that be the British police? Would you want a British review panel?
A reconstruction. If you volunteer to do a reconstruction, wouldn't that open the case?
We want to create information that will lead to us helping find Madeleine.
That would help Madeleine.
Well,
what you think so?
If it does, then we will participate in it. We need.
You're in Lisbon. You could take that step today. Ask for the case to be reopened. Do a reconstruction with your friends.
We'd be more than happy for the case to be reopened.
To clarify, you saw this review. It's quite interesting.